How to use Google AI Studio for chatbots. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to use AI Studio for chatbots. Now, to use AI Studio for chatbot, you could use a chat prompt interface. This helps prototype a conversational experience with Gemini models. What you want to do is open your browser, type in aistudio.google.com, and this is going to take you to their official page. Here you just want to select the chat prompt or from the left hand side menu. The interface is for a multi-turn conversation as well. So after which you want to click onto the gear icon and turn on autosave to save the chatbot's prototype. Next, you just want to set the system's instructions and choose a model as well, and you could also adjust the parameters, and that is basically how you'll be able to use Google AI Studio for chatbots. So you could also go ahead and tap onto the menu bar. There you have the settings, and you want to go to autosave, and that's how things work. So with that, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.